Want to be a YouTuber but don't want to show your face? No problem. You might think that showing your face is essential for building a connection with your audience, but that's not always the case. Many creators have found innovative ways to engage their viewers without ever revealing their identity. You can still create amazing videos and make money. The key is to focus on high-quality content and effective storytelling. Whether it's through animation, screen recordings, or voiceovers, there are countless methods to captivate your audience. Many successful YouTubers remain faceless, using creative techniques to engage viewers. From educational channels to entertainment, the possibilities are endless. These creators have mastered the art of keeping their audience hooked with compelling visuals and engaging narratives. This guide shows you how. We'll walk you through the entire process, step by step. From brainstorming video ideas to the final upload, you'll learn everything you need to know to succeed. We'll explore everything from finding your niche to optimizing your videos for monetization. Discover how to identify your target audience and create content that resonates with them. Learn the secrets of SEO to ensure your videos get discovered. Get ready to unleash your creativity and build your own faceless YouTube empire. We'll cover the best tools and software for video editing, tips for creating engaging thumbnails, and strategies for growing your subscriber base. This is your chance to share your passion, knowledge, and creativity with the world, all without ever showing your face. Imagine the freedom of expressing yourself without the pressure of being on camera. Are you ready to get started? Let's dive in. With determination and the right guidance, you can turn your faceless YouTube channel into a thriving success. So, grab your tools and let's embark on this exciting journey together. The first step in creating a successful channel is finding your niche. This is the area where your passion and expertise intersect. What are you passionate about? Think about the activities that make you lose track of time, the subjects you can talk about for hours without getting bored. What do you know a lot about? Consider your skills, your experiences, and the knowledge you've accumulated over the years. Your niche could be anything from cooking to gaming to travel. It could even be something more specific, like vegan recipes, retro gaming, or budget travel tips. The key is to choose something you enjoy and that others find interesting. This will keep you motivated and engaged, and it will also attract an audience who shares your interests. Once you have a niche, research popular keywords and channels in that area. Look at what successful creators are doing and identify gaps in the content that you can fill. This will help you understand what people are searching for and what kind of content is already out there. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube Analytics, and keyword planners to gather data. Remember, your niche is the foundation of your channel, so choose wisely. It's the starting point for all your content, and it will guide your creative decisions moving forward. Take your time, explore different options, and find the perfect fit for you. Creating engaging content is crucial, even without showing your face. Focus on your video's visuals, audio, and storytelling. Use high-quality images, videos, and music to make your videos visually appealing. A clear and engaging voiceover is essential. Write a script, practice your delivery, and ensure your audio is high quality. Use storytelling techniques to make your content more relatable and captivating. You don't need expensive equipment to make great videos. Many free tools and software can help you create professional-looking content. For video editing, try free options like OpenShot or DaVinci Resolve. For screen recording, use built-in tools on your computer or free software like OBS Studio. Don't forget about free image and music resources like Pixabay and YouTube Audio Library. Section 5. Optimizing for monetization, turning views into dollars. Once you've created great content, it's time to optimize it for monetization. This means making your videos more visible to viewers and encouraging them to watch, like, and subscribe. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your content. Promote your videos on social media and engage with your viewers in the comments section. Section 6. Case Study. faceless success stories. Many YouTubers have achieved massive success without ever showing their faces. Take, for example, the channel Brightside. They create educational animated videos with millions of subscribers. Another example is Tasty, which features delicious food recipes with overhead shots and no faces. These channels prove that you don't need to show your face to build a large and engaged audience. Section 7. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Many new YouTubers make common mistakes that can hinder their success. One mistake is not promoting their videos enough. Make sure to share your content on social media and other platforms. Another mistake is not engaging with viewers. Respond to comments, answer questions, and foster a sense of community. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll be well on your way to YouTube success. Section 8. Your journey begins. Taking the first step. Creating a successful, faceless YouTube channel takes time and effort, but it's an achievable goal. Start by choosing your niche, creating high-quality content, and optimizing your videos for monetization. Remember to be patient, consistent, and persistent. The most important step is to start today. Take that first step and begin your journey towards faceless YouTube stardom. Section 9. Conclusion. Your faceless YouTube empire awaits. Creating monetizable, faceless YouTube videos is entirely possible with the right approach. Whether you're passionate about tech reviews, cooking tutorials, or storytelling, there's a place for you on YouTube. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can share your passions, engage with viewers, and potentially earn income, all without ever showing your face. From scripting your content to recording voiceovers and editing your videos, every step is crucial in building a successful channel. Remember to choose a niche you love, create high-quality content, and stay consistent. Consistency is key in keeping your audience engaged and coming back for more. Optimize your videos for discoverability by using effective SEO strategies. This includes using the right keywords, creating engaging thumbnails, and writing compelling descriptions. The world of faceless YouTube awaits. Are you ready to build your empire? With dedication, creativity, and the right tools, you can turn your YouTube channel into a thriving business. So, take the leap and start your journey today.